Historic Hospitality presents a small insight to setting up a VIP birthday table for a lunch. So welcome to the Kensington Hotel in South Kensington, London, where we try to do little things just to make a guest's journey very, very special. So a very short video, a quick look at setting up a VIP birthday table to an immaculate setting. As always, do like the video, subscribe if you're interested, and do drop a comment if you'd like to know anything or ask anything. So attention to detail is always key. You have to make everything right. And when it comes to setting a table, symmetry is key. Here we see one of our guys, fantastic effort, making sure that everything is in line. One prerequisite is very important: make sure all the glassware is polished and no finger marks are visible. Place them where they are, as you can see now. It's important to make sure that everything is good, as you can see. So it's just a nice idea, this video, to show the colour, the symmetry and the neatness of all the setups. As you can see, we diamond cross the joins of the tablecloth to avoid the joins being seen. So just a useful look at how we set up for a 5-star hotel lunch and a birthday party. Do keep an eye, because more videos of how to do things coming soon, as well as the history of certain positions. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot.